In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice, billable time and expenses in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the entire process from starting a brand new invoice to pulling in your billable time and expenses, and then finalizing and saving it so it's ready to send to your customer. Let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a button labeled New with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This is your main shortcut for creating new transactions in QuickBooks, and you'll use it often. When the menu opens, look for the section labeled Customers. Under that column, choose Invoice. This tells QuickBooks that you want to bill a customer for products, services, time, or expenses. Now you're on a blank invoice form. The first thing to do is select the customer. At the top of the form, open the Customer drop-down menu and choose the customer you want to invoice. If you've set up this customer in advance, they'll appear in the list. Selecting the correct customer is important because it connects this invoice to their account history, open balance, and any existing billable time or expenses. Once you choose your customer, QuickBooks will automatically open a panel called Suggested Transactions. This pane shows all unbilled time, expenses, and any other billable items that you've previously tracked for this customer. Think of it as a list of everything you've done or purchased on their behalf that hasn't been invoiced yet. Take a moment to look through this list. For each item you want to include on the invoice, click the Add button next to it. This will move that time entry or expense onto the main invoice. If you know you want to bill everything that appears there, you can save time by clicking Add All. QuickBooks will then pull every suggested transaction into the invoice lines automatically. If you change your mind, you can still remove or edit line items directly on the invoice. Next, finalize the invoice details. Review each line carefully to make sure the descriptions, quantities, rates, and amounts are correct. This is your chance to confirm that you're billing the right work at the right price. You can also add a note or message to the customer, for example, a thank you note or payment instructions in the message field. When everything looks good, go down to the toolbar at the bottom of the window. Choose how you want to save the invoice. Save and send if you're ready to email it to your customer right away, or save and close if you just want to record it and send it later. Once you select your option, your invoice with billable time and expenses is created and saved in QuickBooks Online.